So I've had somebody been hitting me up to do a Barra engine conversion to the Stagia. The Stagia is currently 4-wheel drive, and they're going to want to convert it to 2-wheel drive, and then put a Barra in as well, and a 6-speed. So that's been quite interesting. Anyway, this is my R33 type engine conversion bracket, the driver's side. So in a Stagia, the passenger side mount is in the same position, but the driver's side mounts 75mm further forward. So we're going to draw one very similar to this, but with this slot 75mm further forward. Luckily, already done it. So this is what it'll look like. So the shape of it's very different, but everything's the same. The gusset is a bit fun because having the mount position for the engine mount being a lot further forward, you get this odd shape, and so the gusset has had to be folded as well instead of just being a flat plate. I'll show you both of them together. So the blue one's the R33 type, and the grey one's the Stagia type. So it's 75mm further forward for the slots. Other than that, it's pretty much the same. So the holes are in the same position, they're on the same planes, on the same angles. Won't know for sure if it's correct, but we'll get it cut and I'll file the setup and show you how to make one. Got laser cutting back today. So these are the two plates. That's the bracket that'll be folded, and this is the gusset. That'll, once it gets folded, it'll sit in here. Now I guess we just got to mark it out, fold it up. This is my little folding setup. So it's just a 20-ton shop press, and then one of these Metal Master press brakes. So it's pretty simple. We're just gonna bang her in here on the line, and you try and keep it in the center because it doesn't like to distribute the load very well. And then how we're going to tell the angle, so we're only going to bend it 15 degrees, digital level, and because it's 15 degrees we're just going to go half, so we're just going to jack it till it's about 7.5. Usually go half a degree over for it to bounce back, so yeah, to untension. We'll do the other one. So line it up, and then try to keep it straight on the line. Here we go. That should be pretty close to 90, half of that's 45, so I'm not going to press much more, so that's what we're going to look at. So that's definitely folded the right way, and should do the job. Now we'll just fold the gusset up, and then we can weld it together. Now that we've got it all folded up, you sort of see how it goes together. 90 degrees and 15, and then the gusset folds up outside corner on the bottom, and then fillet welds everywhere else. So doesn't look too bad. I'll just get the MIG and zap together. So there you have it, one Barra to Stagea driver's side engine conversion bracket. Passenger side can use the normal Barra RB25 conversion bracket I got. Give it a quick flap, knock a bit of spatter off it, just good to go. Thanks for watching. If you like the scene, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to follow me on Facebook and Instagram.